Today we are going to make Sama Khichdi or Barnyard Millet Khichdi for Navratri festival. Ingredients are listed on the screen. Let us now start preparing the khichdi. Light the burner and keep the heat on medium. Put in the desi ghee or the clarified butter and let it melt. The desi ghee has melted. Reduce the heat to low, add the cumin seeds and let them crackle for about 30 seconds. The cumin seeds have crackled, add the chopped potatoes. Keep stirring the potatoes so they don't stick to the kadhai and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes so they turn slightly soft. The heat is on low. After about 4 minutes, the potatoes are half cooked. Now put in the chopped green chili. Put in the peanuts as well. Stir mix for about 30 seconds so the peanuts also get fried slightly. After 30 seconds, add the chopped tomatoes and the black pepper as well, and the sendha namak or rock salt. Stir the mixture and cook until the tomatoes turn soft. The tomatoes have turned soft. Add the samak rice or barnyard millet. We have taken half cup of sama rice. We will now add to this 2.5 cups of water. Keep the heat on high. Stir the mixture and cook until the water comes to a boil. We have checked the salt, it's slightly less. We will add another half a teaspoon of salt. In all, we have added 1.5 teaspoons of salt. The water has come to a boil. Stir the mixture a few times and cover with a lid. Now reduce the heat to low and cook the rice until it turns soft. Check the rice a few times while it is cooking. The rice has been cooking for about 10 minutes. The water is almost dried out now. We'll check the rice to see if it is completely cooked. Yes, the rice is done. Our dish is ready. Keep the dish slightly wet as the samak rice will absorb a lot of water. Do not dry it out completely. So our dish is ready. We'll transfer it to a serving bowl. Here is our dish of the day, Sama Khichdi or Samo Khichdi. Do try it and give your feedback. You can have it with plain yogurt or some chutney like coconut chutney or mint chutney. So do try and give your feedback. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.